Thanks to the team for making myself and the team to inaugurate their stall in HIMTEX. Wishing them best wishes.
Which is the machine you would pinpoint as suitable for aerospace industry in this exhibitions?
Jyoti today, with their large portfolio of machines, have proved their capabilities. We have seen few machines, which is Jyoti Huron machines. I think we have studied. On Saturday, my team will be here. They will go through the components, application, cost per component and details. And I'm sure the team will be able to understand either from here or working close with their team to pick up few machines for our upcoming new point.
Does Indian machinery able to fill a specific need for aerospace industry? And if yes, how do you see that Jyoti is actually filling those, gap?
Coming to Indian machineries, in Raghu Vamsi, in all our plants, 90% of the machines are Indian manufactured, made in India machines, and not today. Continuously for the past 20-25 years, the machines are able to give very good results and consistent quality. I don't think our Indian companies and including Jyoti, we are not less than any other global machines. We as a company use superalloys and many special materials. The machines, what we have seen today and what they have planned to come out with, I think it fulfills the need, and also not only us, for all across the industries.